Hello everyone. So today we are going to discuss on a very small topic but very serious topic, that what we are actually lagging between our profession and the society. In any profession, the first point which we should take care is that we should have the respect for our own profession. We should have a type of self-recognition, or you can say that self-satisfaction with our profession. But sometimes we lag in that. And the point where we lag, there only a gap will come between us and the society, or between us and the other profession. Whichever profession it is, all the profession needs a type of connection between them with the other profession and with the society. If we see just in abroad, that for whom we are working actually, all the healthcare team or healthcare sector is working for a single purpose, that is patient care. So if patients are not recognizing us, it's very difficult to enter into the domain without getting the confidence, or you can see that satisfaction of a patient. It's a whole system, either it is healthcare or any type of business or whatever it is working on the two things only, demand and supply. If somebody is demanding you, your supply should be there, and your supply will automatically increase. If nobody is demanding you, your supply will go down. And same problem we are facing. With the pharmacist, this is the greatest problem, that there is no demand at all from the society for the pharmacist. They consider them as just as a shopkeeper. They don't know what actually these pharmacists can do for their health care, or for their care, or for the patient care. Now the question is, why they don't know? The greatest, what you see, or unfortunate point is that leave them, many of the pharmacists does not know what they can do. And that is the lagging point with us. We don't know what we can do. We are not able to make ourselves understand what we can do. We are not self-recognizing ourselves. We are not that assessing ourselves. We are not able to give the self-respect to ourselves. How we can even think that others can give respect to us, or others will recognize us. So the thing is that we should first recognize ourselves. Now, why we are not able to recognize ourselves? Yes, I know that I am a pharmacist. Yes, you know that you are a pharmacist, but you don't know that what all things you can do. You don't know that how you can do. You don't know that where you have to do. You don't know that what all things are going to put hindrance in your work. If you see the pharmacist total word, it starts from P till the T. Means you are from the production of the drug till the treatment by the drug. But you don't know where all you are. So the first point should be clear in all the pharmacists, that you are everywhere wherever drug is available, or wherever drug is acting. You are acting at that place. Now, from the production till the treatment we are, but still we don't know why the society is not demanding us. The reason which I told is self-recognition, self-assessment, or you can say self-respect, or you can say self-recognition is not there. Why there is no self-recognition? Why we are not able to give the respect to ourselves, to our colleagues in the same profession? Why we don't want to enter in this domain, or we don't want anyone to enter in this domain? Reason is again very simple. We are not taught to do this. Our education system is not in such a way that it should promote the profession. It is just promoting the knowledge, or you can say that it's just transferring the knowledge, not promoting the profession. A simple example: a student get enrolled into the pharmacy, any field of the pharmacy. After the first year, 1,000 things will enter in his mind that this profession is not good because of this. You will not get these things, you will not get that, you will not get this, and by the end of the final year, the students will start thinking that I don't have anything to do. Now this demotivated pharmacist, or we can see that yes, he is not a patient only. He is not a professional now. We are not giving out the professionals, we are giving a type of patients only, who are coming out and telling others that I don't know what to do now. Because he was not told that what to do. He was just told that this is what you have to study. When a first and second year student goes to their relationships, they will say that I don't know what I will do after final year, but they have to study. So just to get the certificate, if you are coming to study, then sorry to say that you are really a disturbance, or you can say hurdle in the professional progress. So what we are lacking actually is the motivation. No motivation at all in the professionals nowadays. They are not at all motivated. I don't know that how to explain this, that a faculty of an educational institution is also not playing a perfect role. Now the students might be happy that yes, faculties are not doing. Sorry to see that you are also the culprit. You enroll in this profession just for the certificate. If you have enrolled in this profession for the professional duty, then you will never think negative about the profession. But if you are thinking about negative about your profession, that means you have not enrolled for the duties, professional duty. You have just enrolled for the certificate and do your business. And if you are doing your just a business, just a business, it's a greedy business, then you can't promote your profession. You can't be a social demand. So it's our duty to motivate our professionals, our colleagues, that yes, you can do this. Yes, you are in the best way, and the best, wherever you are, in whichever course you are in the best. Do best in this. Don't run here and there. The time you will recognize that yes, you can do many things in this, you will never run here and there, you will concentrate in that, and then you will achieve the best in that. But the problem is that we never concentrate on one thing. We try to get many things, and in that we get small parts in everything, and we deviate from our main profession. And the time we deviate from our main profession, we lose our respect towards that profession. And the time we lose respect towards that profession, we never care for that profession. And if we are not caring, if we are not respecting, how we can expect anyone to respect us or care for us? No, we can't. And if we are trying to do that, that is totally wrong. We can't expect anyone if we are not able to recognize ourselves. Now, somebody got motivated also. And people might be thinking that only motivation, how it will work. Just got motivated. But with motivation, you should have the proper knowledge. That is much important. And knowledge is very much important. That educational institutions are doing very well, except the few which I just came to know. I am sorry to say that yes, in this area also somewhere, if you see, I will say just 1 or 2% are there who are putting the educational level in threat. The time you will have the full education, the time you will be fully educated, the time you will have the full knowledge on the things which you are doing, you can do your best in that. You will get confidence. You will get courage to say that yes, I know this. Yes, I can do this. Yes, I am good in this. But we never get that type of things. Why? Because we don't have the proper knowledge. Now, knowledge, I never mean just the book knowledge or the curriculum knowledge. I mean the practical knowledge. And practical knowledge is not just a responsibility of a faculty. It's not just a responsibility of an educational institution. It's your responsibility. Whenever you get the chance, you should think like a professional, not as just a student. The time you will start thinking like a professional, you will start learning from the things which is around you. Because you will try to know that profession. You will try to understand that profession. You will try to enter in that profession. So you should try to enter into that domain to get something best. So professional education or knowledge is not just limited to the books or the college. It's out of that also. Once you will get the knowledge, proper knowledge, you will get confidence. And the time you will get the confidence, you will get the courage to face the society. So the second lagging point is that courage. 2 points which we are lagging in our profession and which is leading to that disconnection of our pharmacy profession from the society is motivation and courage. If you see the pharmacist whole, P for patience, H for honesty, A for alertness, how much you are alert, R for research, you should be active in the research, M for motivation, we have all. We have the patience, really. We have patience, no doubt in that. We are honest. I will not question on that. We are alert, that is also true. We are good in research, no question. We are very good in research, but we are not at all a motivator. Here we are lying. After that, A is administrator. Yes, we are good administrator also. We have that talent. After that, C is for courageous, and here also we are lagging. So we are lagging motivation and courage. I, intelligent we are, S, studious we are, and T, talented we are. So we have all the qualities of pharmacist except 2 which is required, that is motivation and courage. These 2 lagging points are dragging us back from the society. And that is not right. So our aim, a part of our curricular activities is should be towards the motivation also. Motivate the budding pharmacist, motivate your colleagues, motivate your friends that you are not waste. You have very important duty in the society. And the time you will able to motivate them, then you see that you will get a self-respect, a self-recognition. And the time you know that how important you are, it will be very easy to convince others that how much important you are. And the time society will recognize you, then automatically the demand will increase, which will automatically increase the supply. That means will increase your intervention into the patient care. So the most important point is that we should first fill this gap which has entered between us and the society. So our duty should be in such a duty is to motivate side by side to make the courageous, and both requires self-recognition, respect and self-realization. You should realize that you can do it. Then only you can do it. So lagging point which we conclude today in the summary, that we should motivate our budding professionals to achieve something, recognition, some respect in the society. Because unless we are not able to recognize, we can't do more. We can't ask anyone. For example, a student is going out and saying that I don't know what I will do after this, or saying that I'm stuck in this profession. Obviously, the mentality of the pupil or the society will become bad towards that profession. And about more than 80% of the professionals are doing this, and that is the sad point. And even I will not say them as a professionals. If you are not able to take care of your profession, if you are not able to work on your profession, if you are not able to motivate your profession, if you are not able to recognize your profession, then you are not at all professionals. I will ask you to leave this profession and go. Just for the certificate, just for the money, if you are entering into any profession, especially the healthcare profession, then you are just wasting your time as well as the society. So create a demand by putting your special effect on the society. And you can put your special effect if you are motivated by your profession, and if you are courageous to show that your profession has a value. And the courage will come if you have the proper knowledge. Nowadays the system is that whatever is taught in the classes, the student will just learn that to pass the exam. That should not be there. You are not school students who will get the questions as per the books or textbooks or whatever chapter. You are a professional, so your mind should be open. You should see all the sides, that where all I can get the knowledge, what all we can learn, what are the opportunities we have. So as a student, it's your duty to understand your profession, to go through the responsibilities, roles of your profession, and try to find out best what you can do from it. On the other hand, the one who are working as a faculty or as a promoter or a motivator should work on the motivation of the budding pharmacist. and should motivate them. Especially the faculties can do this role very nicely. They should motivate them, they should encourage them. Yes, you have these all duties, and this should start from the beginning, that is from the starting of the professional career or professional studies, you can say, or first years or first semester. We should not wait till the fourth year or last years or fifth years. Because till the time we will reach there, those people will get that mentality that we can't do anything. So, motivation should be from first day of the college, so that when they come at the last day, they should say, yes, this is the profession of the society. Now, the last point which I want to make clear for everyone. Any profession is not substitution for any other profession. You are not substitution for any other profession. Neither you can substitute a doctor, nor you can substitute a nurse. You are just addition into the pharmacy, into the patient care system. So remember that you are addition, not a substitution or replacement for anyone. The time you will recognize your duties, automatically you will not feel that you are replacing anyone. Because your duties are totally different. They can't do your duty, you can't do their duty. Nobody can replace anyone in the professional world. So you are not going to replace anyone. You are just addition. Now it's your duty to make that addition recognizable. It's your duty to bring that addition in front of the society. That yes, I am there for you. I am there to help you. The thing is that people are not recognizing you. You are there. There is no doubt in that. But people are not recognizing that you are there. And that is only possible if you are motivated among yourself. You are motivated. You are going to motivate others that what all you can do. So motivation and courage play an important role to bring yourself in front of the society, bring this profession in front of the society. Even if government will start or give you the thousands of roles, you can't come out unless society will not demand you. So demand is very much important. I appreciate the steps taken by the other organizations or associations to bring the pharmacy profession up. But with that, these 2 points should be taken care a lot, or else it will go in waste. So, at last, I just want to conclude that lagging link between a society and a pharmacist is just 2 things. One, motivation, and other one is courage. We have to improve it. We have to work on it, and then we will see that we can come out in the best way. Thank you for this session. Have a nice time.